We are excited to announce the improved order management feature in the Ilara HMIS billing module, designed to simplify accounting and reporting. At the top of the new orders section, you'll find a summary report featuring total orders. This shows the total value of all orders. Total recovered revenue. This indicates the total payments received. You can now view a breakdown of collections by payment method by simply hovering over the total recovered revenue box. Total outstanding invoices. This shows the total balance of unpaid invoices. Total credit notes. This displays the total amount of credit notes issued. This reporting section includes a filter functionality, allowing you to choose the period for the data you want to view. You can apply a quick duration filter or specify a date range. Next, let's explore the Orders tab, which features advanced table functionality across the HMIS. This functionality allows for column configuration, enabling you to specify which columns should be displayed. Additionally, the downward arrow on specific column names allows you to sort data in ascending or descending order. The filter function enables you to specify the data you want to fetch, and the search field allows you to search for data related to a specified patient. Now, let's see what you can achieve in the Orders tab. 1. Add payment to an order. Capture the payment methods and amounts. 2. Add a credit note to an order. Subtract from the order total and specify the reason for the credit note. 3. Generate a receipt for payments. Print it or easily access it later in the receipts table. 4. Generate an invoice. Indicate the invoice due date and the invoice recipient. Moving on, the All Invoices tab features an advanced table with a list of invoices. The same functionality applies here. Here's what you can do. 1. Add payment to an invoice. This will be reflected on the invoice document. 2. Void an invoice. This serves as a delete function without compromising system logic. Voided invoices are found in the Archive tab. The Outstanding tab provides a list of invoices that are yet to fall due. Here, you can also add payments and void invoices. The Receipts tab presents generated receipts and allows you to reprint them. The Credits tab lists presents created credit notes and allows you to print them. The Archive tab displays archived invoices for your reference. Next, let's look at the Customer section. Here, you can add a customer by providing their name and address and selecting if they should be available in the POS for selection as invoice recipients. The Customers section has the Payer tab, which allows you to view and print the payer summary. When viewing the payer summary, you will see the days overdue and total balance. The invoices will also be listed, and you can manage them by adding payments, voiding, or printing them. When printing the payer summary, the system will prompt you to specify the start and end dates. The Patient tab allows you to perform the same functions as the Payer tab, with individual patients invoiced as the payers. That concludes our overview of the new order management in the Ilara HMIS. We hope these improved functionalities enhance your workflow and user experience.